We still cruise on film music tagline. It's our Pantigadam competition album launch. We are very lucky. Tenang sa pam few kurama mga atin on the show. Kanya ba mo nam da kaso en yara ne demende tenanya ka pun ma ka albiya ba ba za ba yetene nta abi kurambe a support legendary comme les deux camera dans part about the show mama na
show as you can see so comes out the shara because alle background ma stage man yanga ni solobian me stage man suksa ka solobian stage man tony ka solobian you know you can equally see that everybody so comes out la concentration knows how to show man so that we all see the growth of the show, you know, and the growth of the program. That's why we are all here.
So moving out from competition album, about Abada, what happened and what is the way?
No, Abada, we are still rolling. You know, the thing is that the name is there. The name Abada cannot die. It will always be at the head, and it will always be at the top, because people realize that we were those making the hit out there. Like push it out here, maybe one day in the lives of Pantigadam, what's the name? Fadlan, Makasio, and Co. More of the artists, you understand. But today, we are happy that we are seeing them on the limelight.
The boy for having you, Thank you very much, legendary. Thank you.